HDR, or high dynamic range, refers to the range of light intensity in a photo or video. It enhances the brightness and vibrancy of colors, making images more striking. Today, I'll show you a simple way to apply this effect to any video clip. It's important to start with a high-quality clip. Videos or photos captured with a smartphone may not work well for this effect, as they typically lack the necessary dynamic range. DSLR is preferred. Click on your video clip and go to Lumetri Color. Now click on Basic Correction and move down to the Shadow slider. Move this up until the dark areas of your video brighten, but not so much that it starts fading the entire clip out. Now do the same with the highlights. Bring them down, but not too much as to create a very dull and dark video effect. You will also need to increase your exposure as well as the whites, but the exact amount will vary depending on the brightness of your clip. Finally, click down on Creative and move the Vibrant slider up to around 50. But again, this will change depending on your clip, but it's a good mark to aim for. Now you've increased the apparent dynamic range of your video, making everything pop and stand out. Help to grow this channel. Put your like and subscribe.